let's graph this system of inequalities on a graph. So what we're going to do is we're going to graph each one of these. I'll color code them, and I'm going to remind you the easiest way to graph a linear equation in standard form is by using the intercepts. So the two intercepts of this green line are 0, comma, again, ignore the inequality part for right now, 0, comma, what? 4, right? And if I plug 0 in for y, what would x have to be?
8.
So there are my two intercepts. 0, comma 4, right here, and 8, comma 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right there. There are my two intercepts. Now, is it dotted or solid line?
Solid.
Nope. Why is it dotted?
Dotted.
Because there's no equal to underneath it. It's just greater than. So it's a dotted line. So there's my dotted line. And then the last thing is, which way is it shaded? So let's do a test point. Is 0, 0 a solution? Yes or no? Is 0 plus 2 times 0 greater than 8? No, it's not. So it's shaded away from that. So there's that. Okay? So now I'm going to erase this, and I'm going to graph the other equation, which is in a different color. So let's do the same thing for that equation. If I plug 0 in for x, what does y equal?
-6.
Negative 6?
Yeah.
Negative 6, right? And if I plug 0 in for y, what does x equal?
4.
Positive 4. See how easy that is? So 4, 0 is there. 0, negative 6. 4, 5, 6 is here. Solid or dotted line?
Solid.
Good, so I'm going to use this line instead since it's solid. Look at that, nice line. And then which way is it shaded? Is 3 times 0 minus, I'm plugging 0, 0 in here to test this point, 0, comma 0. Is 3 times 0 minus 2 times 0 less than or equal to 12? Is that a true statement? Yes, it is, so it's shaded this way. All right, so what is the intersection of those two shaded regions?
Like 5.
I'm going to erase everything else. The intersection of those two shaded regions. Actually, no, it'll be too hard to erase everything else. I'm just going to shade it in with a darker color. I'll shade it like this. So from here, whatever that point is right there, to there. By the way, this would be a open circle, technically, right there, because one of the lines is dotted. And everything up in that region. That's my solution. So what they're going to want us to do is find out what that point is right there. Now it kind of looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comma 2, but you can't assume that 5, comma 2. Is that what it looks like? 5, comma 2?
Yeah.
You can't assume that that's right because we're just kind of sketching it not exactly. And so what we do now to find the exact intersection point is we solve this system. And look at how nicely I can do that. Again, ignore the inequality sign because we're just looking at where the lines intersect, which is the equal to part. And if I add them straight down, I get 4x equals 20. So what does x equal? 5. But what does y equal? Probably not 2 exactly. It is 3/2.
Yeah.
Y equals 3/2. And let's check that. I used this bottom equation to find that. Let's check it up here. 15 minus 2, 15 minus 3 is 12. So that works. So 5, comma 3/2 is the intersection point. And that's how you graph a system of inequalities.